Are you looking for tips on how to improve your YouTube descriptions? I'm Teena Hughes of teenahughesonlinedotcom, the author of the 50 Marketing Secrets of Successful Women book. In this video, I'm going to teach you 3 quick tips for YouTube descriptions so you can boost a video's SEO on a YouTube channel. P.S. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimisation. Alrighty, let's head over to one of your videos on YouTube and click the Edit button. Step number 1. Write a great long description, not just a couple of words, not just a couple of sentences. Make sure it's juicy and give the search engine robots some text to find which explains what the video is all about. If you make sure that the long tail keyword phrase, which is at least 4 words, is in the description, as well as similar phrases and synonyms, this video will have a better chance to be found in searches. Step number 2. Include all the ways people can find you if they like your video, which means your website or other main link, your social media accounts like Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, etc. If you have courses or something else that would be of interest to the viewer, put a link in there for that as well with a bit of an explanation. Also, if you've received any questions about this particular thing in your business, a product or service, go ahead and put those links back to your website as well, if you have them already there. Step number 3. Post a link back to the exact blog post or web page where a copy of this video will be posted. This is like a double-headed SEO arrow for the search engine robots, so they can match this particular video with an external location. And this is SEO magic, so make sure you do this one. Of course, you may have to publish the video first and then go back to the website and do it that second, but that's okay as long as it gets done. Now, of course, there are lots of other steps, but these 3 can be done straight away and they help the search engine robots to start improving your video's ranking in the search results as quickly as possible. I hope you enjoyed these 3 quick tips for your YouTube description so you can boost a video's SEO. Once your YouTube channel is looking great, you may need to learn a little bit more about using YouTube for your video marketing. If you'd like a checklist on how to do that, scroll down and click the link below so you can get started straight away. If you found these 3 quick tips useful, I'd love to hear from you. Post a comment down below, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. This is Teena Hughes from teenahughesonlinedotcom. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.